Hey guys, so I was not planning on doing this little intro. I also was not planning on having this specific video being in my 12 days of Vlogmas. So I announced that in December I would be putting out a video every other day starting from December 1st through the 23rd, and just with timing and the move and everything, this is going to officially be the first 12 days of Vlogmas video. And in those videos I said I would do a mini giveaway every single video. So for today's mini giveaway we have a Benefit Lolly Tint Lip and Cheek Stain, we have a Benefit Hoola Bronzer, some the Balm, I think this is a blush and bronzer palette, as well as a little Moda brush. So if you want to win this, all you have to do is obviously be a subscriber, click the like button on this video, and leave in the comments your name, your age, where you're from, and what you want for Christmas. Sounds good. Okay, time to get on with the video. Okay guys, so I just left U-Haul and I have a pro moving tip for you that I just learned, so you might not know about this either. Instead of moving with cardboard boxes, you can actually rent these moving box crates, and I get these for a week. It was like $20 to $25 for 12 boxes, which was the recommended amount for a studio apartment. So yeah, I'm packing my stuff up in them, then I'm moving with them, and then I just return them at the end of the week. And I thought that was a much easier option than the whole standard cardboard box option. Okay, so since I'm moving in 6 days, but I'm starting to pack today, I thought that the best thing to do was to pack in a suitcase the supplies that I need for a full week. So this is a week's worth of clothes, toiletries, any sort of thing that I would need. It's all in here. So basically everything else is free to be packed, pretty much everything else. I don't know if that's like a big tip that people do, but I thought it was a good idea. By the way, the rest of this video starting now is mostly going to be voiceover because, you know, packing and moving is a big thing, so I need to focus on that. So I'm just gonna put you guys to the side so I can zone out and pack. All right, so after extensive research, I have learned that the best way to do things is to start room by room. So I decided to go for my closet first and tackle my clothes. So here I'm just putting all of my hanging items into a garbage bag just to keep them all bundled together. And then I'm putting the handles around the hanger tops. So that way, when I get to my new place, I can just hang it straight back up on the rack, take the bag off, and they're good to go. I can transport it like this, no need to put in a box or anything. And although I said I wanted to start with my closet, all of my clothes are going into my new apartment closet, so I thought I would just empty all of the drawers of my dresser. Yeah, I could keep them in there to transport, but that would make my dresser way, way, way heavier, and this is already a really heavy dresser, so I thought that this was a better option, so I'm putting all of my clothes into one bin. And that's another thing, when you are putting things in your boxes and bins, make sure you keep all like items together. So all of my clothes are staying together, all of my kitchen items are staying together, everything from my living room, that's staying together. Also, obviously label your boxes, so I'm just taping sticky notes to both sides of the box. So when it's stacked from whatever direction you're looking, you can see what is in that box. And since shoes are clothing items as well, I decided I would just put all of my shoes in a laundry bin. Yeah, so bags, laundry baskets, anything that you can use to pack things up, do that. I'm putting all my shoes in there. And then on top of that, I decided I would put all of my hangers into the laundry basket as well. And then I decided to get a little crafty and take this pants hanger, tape it on one side, and then lock it in at the top just to keep it like all nice and enclosed. I know that's random and weird, but I thought it was a good idea. Gotta get crafty. And then sticking with the closet, I thought I would move on to an electronics bin, so like audio and video equipment, because you know that's what I do. I make videos and stuff, so I have a lot of those sorts of things. I actually have a lot of equipment scattered through my room, so while I'm at it, I'm just picking all that up as well and putting it away at my new place. I'm definitely going to have this all stored in one place and not have it all over the place. But yeah, this is a good start to future organization in my new place. One of my last closet bins to pack up was some beauty products and equipment like a waxer and just a bunch of random things, nail polishes. I got really crafty here and decided to tape all of my nail polishes into a tray just so they wouldn't get all scattered. I thought it was a good option. And I also found these smaller bins to pack my stuff into these boxes, just another way to keep it organized and keep like items together. But with that, my whole closet is packed up. Yes, I'm just gonna keep all of this in here until I get closer to my move date, but you know, there's a box with cleaning supplies. I'm gonna need those. And then, you know, I have all of my laundry and shoes and all the things I packed into my laundry basket, my clothes that were hung up. I have some boxes of decorations I'm gonna take separately. I'm not gonna put those in any box. I'll probably carry them in my car. But yeah, this is all just ready and good to go for when I move. And the next area I decided to pack up is my bathroom. Yeah, it's looking kind of a mess. I was kind of starting to go through it, so this is the state it's in. So again, getting crafty, pack things in things you already have. So I'm packing cleaning supplies into my garbage bin and then putting all of my shower items into a little bin just to keep those together. Anything else related to those items, all going together. Yep, I think you get the point by now. And then I'm just doing the exact same thing with under the sink, putting things in other things just to compact everything together. And voila, all of that goes in a box and my bathroom is officially packed up. That was one easy room to do, luckily.
3 days later.
Okay, and this is actually several days later, about 2 or 3 days before the move, and I'm not the only one who lives here, so there's a lot of stuff everywhere. One big tip, if you have roommates, make sure you sit with them and go through everything in the common areas just to make sure everyone has what is theirs, because I've lived with my roommate for over 5 years and there are a lot of things where we're like, we're not sure who bought what, and so you just kind of have to sort it out that way. So yeah, make sure to do that, just so everything's fair and divided up the way it should be. So here we're just going through our movies and games and entertainment sorts of things and putting all of that into one box to keep it all together. Next, to tackle my super cute futon, I decided that it would be best to pack pillows and blankets in garbage bags just because they're lightweight and it's easy to carry in a garbage bag rather than having them take up a lot of space in the plastic bins. And then I also decided that it would be best to move all of the big and heavy items towards the door, since those are going to be what I pack into the moving truck first. And yeah, so I'm just gathering everything in my living room, putting all my stuff to one side. Since I'm the first person moving out, I thought this was the best option. There we go, so much stuff. And then we decided to go through our kitchen and all of our plates, and I got this wrapping paper, so if you have delicate like glass items, plates, anything like that, make sure to individually wrap each item to avoid anything from breaking. This really works, this really helps, it's really important. And then packing all of that up into one bin. This is definitely going to be the fragile bin. So all of my plates, all of my bowls, all of my cups, all of my mugs, right there, fragile, bam. I swear the majority of my bins are just kitchen related. So I'm packing up my silverware and odds and ends of the kitchen. I decided to use my like thermoses and cups to put my silverware in to save space and, you know, just be able to fit as much as I can in to this bin. Going through all the drawers, again, sorting through things, making sure that I get everything that is mine. And I think I ended up with about 4 kitchen bins. So I had the plates and then my silverware and all those odds and ends, and then pots and pans, as well as appliances and everything. So at this point I have my kitchen packed up, my living room, my closet, my bathroom, the majority of my bedroom. All I really have to do now is wait until the day of the move and then break down my bed and move all of my larger bedroom items out into the moving truck. So yeah, here's my living room with the majority of the things that I'm going to be moving. That means this move is so close. By the time you see this video, I will have been moved. So if you want to keep up to date and see things as they happen in real time, I highly recommend you follow me on Instagram, because I always keep you up to date on my Insta stories. So yeah. Oh, on a side note, out of all of these bins, I had a lot of them, you know, categorized, but there were some miscellaneous items. So I had about 2 full bins of miscellaneous things, which that's completely fine. Other than that, this is a really great system. to have you nice and prepared for your move and organized, and I'm just excited to share the rest of my move with you. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and my next one will be my official moving vlog. Bye guys. Today I finished packing. I'm trying to be quiet, but got a lot to do. And then in 24 hours, I'll be picking up my U-Haul. Oh my gosh, my last day in my apartment. Been here for 3 years.